Alright, let's take a step back to number 32 again. I made a mistake here. My N and my M were off. I think I reversed them. Alright, so you really have this thing with R over N, N being 10, T being 10. So this is raised to the 100th power, not 10th. And this is R is divided by 10, which I didn't have before. Alright, so if this is the 100th power, you have to take the 100th root, or raise it to the 1 over 100th power. And you get 1.039, which is a lot more reasonable than 193. Subtract 1 and you get 0.039. Multiply by 10 to get rid of the 10 on the denominator of the R. And you get 0.3917, which is your interest rate for that one. And then let's go on with 51. 51 says you're trying to figure out what the 16th term is when the first term is 4 and the common ratio is 3 over 2. So if you're looking for the 16th term, N is 16, A1 is 4, R is 3 over 2, N is 16. So it's 3 halves to the 15 times 4, which gives you this guy. Now here they're trying to figure out the sum of the 35 terms, and this is a geometric series, not arithmetic. Okay, so we're going to use this formula right here. And they tell us the first three terms, 1, 3, and 9, right here. Now to find R, you just have to take any term and divide it by the previous one. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, or 3 divided by 1 is 3. So R is 3. We're looking for the 35th term, so N is 35. We know A1 is 1. So we got 1, 3, 35, 3. All this crunches down, gives you this guy right here. And here's another way of figuring out what R is. Any term divided by its previous term. Okay, and then 57. They ask you to find the sum of the 18 terms, and they give you the first, second, and third. So again, to find R, you take any term and divide it by the previous one. 4 divided by 6 is 4/6 or 2/3. There's your R. And we know N is 18. So what? A1 is 6 from up there. 2/3 is your R, 18 is your N, and 2/3 is your R. 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3. Flip it and multiply it, and so you really have 3 times 6 times this guy, or 18 times this guy, which gives you a little under 18.